let's summarize everything that we figured out about finding areas between two graphs. So if the graphs are graphs of functions of x, and you want to know the area between two x values, x equals a and x equals b, then the total area, the total unsigned area, is given by this integral, the integral from a to b of the absolute value of f of x minus g of x dx. This is the integral that you would use if the region that you're trying to find the area of is sort of nicely broken up into vertical strips like this. Right, so treating x as the independent variable will slice up your region into vertical strips. So if that's nice, if that's convenient for the problem you're working on, then use this integral with x as the independent variable. If, on the other hand, if your region, so maybe your region is more like this, this sort of region would be kind of clumsy to slice up vertically. You could do it because, right, you could do it this way, but right, some of the time the bottom of your slices is on a line and sometimes it's on a parabola, and that's sort of inconvenient. But if you slice it up horizontally, the left-hand end is always on the line and the right-hand end is always on the parabola, and so that would probably be a lot easier to work out. So this sort of region is more easily sliced up horizontally, and if you want to slice up a region horizontally, then you're treating y as the independent variable, and then you'd use this formula. Integral from a to b of f of y minus g of y, and a and b are the y values that bound the region. For some regions, you can actually choose between these two. So, for this sort of region, slicing it up vertically or horizontally seems like it would be about the same as far as difficulty of the integral that you get. So you can really just do whichever one is more convenient. Although you do need to be careful that the bounds that you get depend on which variable you choose, right? So in principle, there's no reason that the bounds for the y direction should be the same as the bounds for the x direction. So, but other than that, for some regions, you really do have a choice for which of the two integrals you use.